Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from CyanSky. Now this here is their tiny little M3, comes in this little case here. Now they sent this to me, they wanted me to test and review this titanium LED flashlight of theirs. Well, let's go ahead and start on the back of the box, take a look at the specs. A little on the small side, but you can see there 700 lumens on the highest output on this light. Now if you need more time to read these, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise we're going to open it up, see what's in. And we have one warranty card there. One small user manual, one-sided. We have a key ring with a nice little rope style lanyard on there. USB charging cable. Something else under here. Okay, there's an insulating film protector on the battery. They want you to remove that. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. There it is. Look how small and compact this is. This is tiny. Side switch there. Do have a lanyard hole there. Can be used as a keychain light if you wish. Can table stand that if you need. It's got some areas here that are flat on the head. Keep it from rolling real easily. Stops it from rolling. Now the style and design on this is very nice. Body is smooth, there's no rough edges on this. And the machining and finish on this is very nice. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the textured reflector. Now this is running the Cree XP-G3S4 LED. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take this apart and I'll show you the insides. Straight contact point there on the head. Want to remove this protection piece. Here's the battery that it comes with. This is a 16340. Does have the built-in charging port. 700 milliamp. This is a 7 amp cell, and the protection piece is probably right around that same. And you've got spring down inside there. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get it all put back together, and let's go through the UI. Alright, we're going to turn it on. Okay, now right away it is digitally locked out. So we're going to go ahead and 1, 2. That'll turn the light back to the regular UI. And now we can go through those light levels. Stop about right there, see the beam. Remember, this is just a tiny little compact light. See the beam there. Nice large hotspot. A lot of bleeding around the edge of that. And the spill area tapers off pretty abruptly, actually. That's the highest output. Click it back, it goes back to the lowest light output. Press and hold to turn that off. Press and hold to turn that back on. And then from off, you can press and hold until strobe is activated. And that is a variable speed on the flash, which is really distracting. And then click it one time. Now this light does not have memory mode. Always comes on the lowest light output, but I do like that. Double click, you've got lockout digitally. Recommend that you do manually unlock it and lock it that way. That way you don't have any issues should that digital lock not work or you accidentally unlock it. So nice, easy UI, solid build quality on these CyanSky lights. Been really impressed with them so far. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the little titanium CyanSky M3. Tiny little guy. Let's go ahead and see how he does. And there it is on. Nice wide beam. A large hotspot on this, as you can see. Tapering spill area. There it is on the fence, kind of give you an idea. All coming from this little light. This level is good for up close and personal. Let's go to the next level, see how it does. A little jump there, as you can see. And it is faintly making 65 feet to that tree there. Making the water spout there. That's 35 feet from where I'm standing. I'll give you an idea here how the beam works. And we're going to go to the next level. See how it does. Nice spill area. It's come alive. Does have a large hotspot here, as you can see on the ground. but it's definitely more on the flood side. All coming from this little light. Great for emergencies. You can pocket carry this and forget that you have it on you. And it is faintly making a tree of life. Impressive. There's the highest output there. Isn't that amazing? All coming from this little light. Making 138 feet even better now. Now essentially this will step down from 700 to 350 lumens, and it won't cycle down anymore. Well, unless the battery goes down, of course, it will start lowering the light output. But we're going to do a beam profile here behind my hand, up and over and around. Very nice. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive light output. Remember, 350 or 700 lumens is actually quite a bit of light, especially if you want to carry this, pocket carry this, or on your key ring, whatever you want to do. This will very much come in handy in an emergency or casual use. Not seeing any issues. The beam is actually pretty nice. It does have a hot spot there. It does get wider as it gets further out, but the spill area is very much usable for this, so that's a big plus. So I'm not seeing any issues again with CyanSky's build quality. It does come with that nice little battery. I'm going to go ahead and show you the other accessory that I wanted to bring out now. This does have a lanyard as well as an extra O-ring in here, but I want to put this clip on here because I plan on pocket carrying this. So that's what that looks like there. So we're going to go ahead and put it on here. Now it looks like you can only put it on this way, so the reflector will be facing down in your pocket, which is actually pretty nice, but it'll be facing down regardless whether you wear it in your pocket or outside of it. I'm going to put it on here. And I always like to put the clip on the opposite side of the power switch. That's what that looks like there. And you don't have to have it on there if you don't want. It does have some flexibility there to that. So if you're needing a tiny little EDC light that you can carry on your keychain, carry it like a regular flashlight if you want to use the lanyard, or clip that on your pocket and carry that as well, you've got it right here. Definitely perfect size for everyday carry. Now I want to thank CyanSky for sending me this M3 to review. Now if this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description where you can get this, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these little lights from CyanSky to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.